The best of both worlds. The benefits of condo living as well as your own private outdoor space. 271 Ridley Blvd, Suite 108 is special inside and out. Fully renovated from top to bottom. Spacious with almost 900 square feet and a 200 square foot terrace. You're going to love it. Come on in, let me show you around. The wide foyer welcomes you and features a double closet and an ensuite locker. The spacious living and dining room feature large bright windows and a patio door with a walkout to your over 200 square foot terrace. The kitchen is absolutely stunning. Custom cabinets, quartz countertops, and a huge waterfall peninsula with breakfast bar. Great for seating, serving, and meal prep. Enjoy the terrace for extra seasonal living space, great for everyday life, entertaining, and easy loading and unloading. The primary bedroom with large double closet is roomy with a modern accent wall and overlooks the terrace. The modern bathroom and linen closet completes the space. Quality Tridale built and perfectly located close to upscale Avenue Road, where you can enjoy fabulous eateries and shops. You're minutes to Highway 401 and a short drive to Yorkdale Mall. This suite is one of the few with a private terrace. Don't miss the opportunity. Book your showing today.